So I have assembled the frame base. So it comes the lower plate and a bunch of holes on down there. Now in the pre-made lower plate, it's not drilled, so you have to drill it. But the last ones that I shipped, they're already drilled. And by drill I mean this hole, you just drill it. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. So you don't drill the aluminum, but you drill the plate, which is like a cardboard. Okay, and so these are 632 half-inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 632 half-inch bolt and nut. And on this side I have 3 of them are 632. Sorry, this was 632 1.5 inch, and this is 632 half-inch, and the screw on the side is 632 3/4. Same here. So on the far end of the corner it's 632 3/4, and the other 3 are half-inch. Same here. This is half-inch, 632. So you can build the frame. It's easy. This is the front, bottom, front plate angle. This is frame, bottom, back. It's a rectangle bar, and some of you may not have this hole, but the ones that doesn't have this hole, the printer is shipped with lead screw for the Z-axis. Now if you have this hole, that means I've shipped threaded rod, and then I'll show how to mount it. Okay, so the left side and right side. Okay, so I have made the base, that's the frame, and I'm going to continue building up from this point.